Hey guys, so welcome to the Buck. For those of you that have been following along on Facebook and YouTube, you guys have seen this already, but we thought we would give you a quick walk around. We are calling it the Buck, obviously, because it's a bus, but it does have a custom truck bed on the back. So we will be using this for hauling, as well as it will function as our mobile design studio and wood shop. We'll be taking it on location when we go do jobs for clients so that it saves them time and money. And it's convenient for us, of course, to have our job or workshop supplies, all of that on hand. So anyway, here it is. We're going to move around here to the back side. It is a 1985 Thomas International School Bus. And as you can see, they left the walkway, and that's the original bus floor. It was owned by 3 different people. The first owner was the one that did the backside customization. The second owner purchased it to turn it into a motorhome, and just didn't have time to get to it. So we took it on, and now you know what our plans are. So anyway, but yeah, that flooring will be coming up, and one of the only things I can tell you today is we will be putting a 1950s style truck bed with the wood flooring in the back. So all that ugly, yucky, cracking rubber stuff will be gone, as well as this hideous primer paint that unfortunately you can see is not sticking very well. So we'll be starting fresh, and it will be getting a nice, pretty paint job. So we're going to jump into a slideshow of outside photos here in just a second, but thanks for watching, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope that you will like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, Instagram to get further updates on the Buck, as well as future projects. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye.